How to add credit card to DHgate. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, let's go ahead and open any browser in our PC. And inside the browser in the search bar, you want to go ahead and simply search for DHgate.com. Once you search for it, their official page is gonna open up. So once you're here, in order to add your credit card in your DHgate, you want to go ahead and select a product you would like to buy. Once you're inside the product section, you want to go ahead and tap on buy now. And just like so, in the next page, after you set your address, you'll see an option that says payment method. You want to go ahead and tap on pay with a new card. And just like so, enter your credit card number, expiry date, and simply add the billing address. Once done, tap on apply, and just like that, you'll then be able to add a credit card on DHgate. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.